it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and as you can see, I am back with hashtag paper dolls for poet. Is it collab 2026 or is it 2026? Oops, I forgot. I'll have it down below for everybody, or even in my title. So this week I'm using this die. So we come on and share, I should say that first. We come on and share dies that that you have to put together to make a paper doll for an embellishment or for your projects, for your cards. And we come on and we share it every Saturday in July at 10 a.m. So today I'm showcasing this paper doll, and I had a little bit of problems with her legs here. It turned out to be too pointy and it didn't look right. So I'm just going to share you partial. So here they are. I kind of mix match um, the papers a little bit. I do like them. They are so adorable. I could put this on an ATC card, or I could put this tucked behind a flower or behind um, something I really don't need these, and I'll show you what they look like. So there they are, and they just look weird, you know. It just didn't look right on her, unless those are her legs and then these are her hands. Yeah, I don't know. These look like her legs to me, but it didn't look right to me, when I try to put them together. I do like them just like this and putting them on a project. Um, with something in front of them, something in front, like a flower or something like that. It would kind of go well with it. So So thanks everybody for stopping by and commenting, and go and check out everybody down below as well and see what they're creating. There's some really talented ladies, and we're just having a blast with these paper dolls. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.